Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn a follow-up lesson from our book A New Approach to English. Jagdish Chandra Bose. Jagdish Chandra Bose invented crescograph. Crescograph is used for measuring the plant's sensitiveness to heat, cold, light, noise, and other external stimuli. Stimulus means something that causes reaction. Before reading our lesson, let's know some word meaning. The words or phrases have been defined mostly on contextual meanings. Breathing cell means cells that help breathing. Carried out. Present form is carry out. Did an experiment. Elementary means primary. Our primary education is up to class 5. Experiment means scientific test. High pitched means high volume sound. Nutrients means rich elements of food that keep plants healthy. Prominent means famous. Scientific facts means facts based on scientific researches is called scientific fact. Scientific way means following scientific procedures. Vibration means shaking. We often see vibration while earthquake happens. Vernacular school means mother tongue medium school. Follow-up lesson Jagdish Chandra Bose. Jagdish Chandra Bose is one of the most prominent scientists of the world. Prominent means famous, well known. Who proved by experimentation that both animals and plants share much in common. He demonstrated that plants are also sensitive to heat, cold, light, noise, and various other external stimuli. Various means several, different kind of. Sensitive means affected by external factors. Those who have sensitive teeth, they can't eat ice creams. You know it very well. Stimulus means something that causes reaction. He made an instrument called crescograph. For the purpose, he wrote two very famous books, Response in the Living and Non-Living in the year 1902 and Nervous Mechanism of Plants in the year 1926. He was born on 30th November 1858 at Mymensingh. Now, Mymensingh is in Bangladesh. He got his elementary education from a vernacular school. Elementary means primary education. He got his primary education up to class 5 from a vernacular school. Vernacular means the language spoken in particular area, regional language. Because his father taught that Bose should learn his own mother tongue, Bengali, before studying foreign language like English. We all are learning our mother tongue first. Then we read, then we learn English. Bose attended Cambridge after studying physics at Calcutta University. He returned to India in 1884 after completing his BSc means Bachelor in Science degree from Cambridge University. He died in the year 1937. Here are some word meaning for you in page number 111. Demonstration. Demonstrate means to prove, to show clearly that something is true. Elementary means primary. Experiment means scientific test or trial. Prominent means famous. J.C. Bose was a prominent scientist of the world, famous scientist. Sensitive means showing reaction or response to show. Stimulus means something that causes reaction. Various means several, different kind of. Vernacular means the language spoken in a particular area, or regional language is called vernacular language. Our regional language is Odia. External means outside. Here are some question answers for you. Answer the following questions in a word or phrase or in a sentence. Who is Jagdish Chandra Bose? Jagdish Chandra Bose, J.C. Bose, is one of the most famous or prominent scientists of the world. Who share much in common? Both plants and animals share much in common. Who are the plants like animals? How are the plants like animals? Plants are like animals because both share much in common. What is crescograph used for? Crescograph is used for measuring plants' sensitiveness to heat, cold, light, and other external stimuli. Name the books Jagdish Chandra Bose wrote. Jagdish Chandra Bose wrote Response in the Living and Non-Living and the Nervous Mechanism of Plants. What are these books about? The books are about findings of Jagdish Chandra Bose on plants and animals. Where did he have his primary education? He had his primary education in a vernacular school because his father thought that he should learn his mother tongue Bengali before studying English. Why did he study at Calcutta University? He studied physics at Calcutta University. What did he study at Calcutta University? He studied Calcutta University. He studied physics at Calcutta University. Where did he get his BSc, Bachelor in Science degree from? He got his BSc degree from Cambridge University. When did he die? He died in the year 1937. I hope you understand the lesson well. Try to write down all the question answers and word meaning, and remember,